Good evening, friends. In yesterday class, we discussed about the Maxwell relations and Gibbs relations. Now, today we will discuss about the concept of entropy, right? Concept of entropy. What is meant by concept of entropy? What is meant by entropy? Entropy. So, simply entropy is a measure of the disorderness or randomness of the molecules. So, entropy is a measure of randomness or disorderness of the molecules or atoms, disorderness of the atoms or molecules. So in spontaneous process, generally what happens? So entropy is increases. So what do you mean by spontaneous process? Spontaneous process means so the water is flows, which is naturally occurring process. So water flows from high altitude to low altitude, and also temperature is flows through high temperature to low temperature, and gas is diffused through high pressure to low pressure. Like this, which is occurring natural process is called the spontaneous process, which is simply opposite to natural process is called the non-spontaneous process. Right? Now in this topic, so entropy is for solids, liquids and gases. Right? Entropy is for solids and liquids. If you compare in solids, the arrangement is perfectly ordered, right? So in gases, it is completely disorder. So disorder is increases. So compared to liquids. So from solid to liquids, liquid to gases, entropy is increases. So simply solids are perfectly ordered, and compared to liquids are more disorder compared to solids. Gases are more disorder is compared to liquids. That means solid to liquid, liquid to gases, entropy is increases. That means disorderness is increases in this process. So now we will discuss about the reversible process. In reversible process, so neta is what? Neta is equal to 1 minus T1 by T2. So neta means what? Neta is the efficiency, T1 is the temperature of the sink, T2 is the temperature of the source. Already this topic is you already studied in the undergraduate level. This is about Carnot theorem. So neta means what? 1 plus Q1 by Q2 is equal to what? 1 minus T1 by T2. So if 1 both sides get cancelled, if Q2 comes here, T1 comes here, what happens? Q1 by T1 is equal minus Q2 by T2. That means what? Simply I can written as this Q2 comes here, what happens? Q1 by T1 plus Q2 by T2 is equal to 0. That means summation Q by T is equal to 0. Q by T means what happens? That is dQ by T is 0. Simply dQ by T means ds is equal dQ by T is equal to dQ by T. Simply ds is equal to dQ by T. That means what? Change in the entropy is defined as the heat evolved or absorbed divided with the temperature is called the change in the entropy, right? So units for entropy is, so ds is what? dQ by T, right? We discussed. So dQ means Q is heat units is calories, by temperature is kelvins or degrees. So we can written as calories into Kelvin universe. This is about concept of entropy. I hope you understood. Next topic is, in our syllabus we have the entropy is a function of V and T. Entropy is a function of V and T. Right. Entropy is a function of V and T. Entropy is a function of V and T. V and T. Right. This is very important question. They will ask for 4 marks. So you should write. So first, entropy, in this topic, entropy is a function of V and T, right? After writing this, apply state function for this. ds is equal to what? Dou s by dou V at T into dV plus dou s by dou T at V into dt. This is equation number 1. Already we discussed how to write state function in previous video. You just see that for more clarification. So already we know that internal energy is a function of V and T, right? So already we know that about this, both V and T are same. So for E, what we should write? dE is equal to TdS minus PdV. TdS minus PdV. This is equation number 2. Just we discussed E is a function of what? V and T, right? E is a function of V and T. So for this you need to apply state function. dE is equal to what? What you will get? dE is equal same dou E by dou V at t into dV plus dou E by dou t at V into dt. Right. So for this substitute, this is equation number 3. Substitute equation 2 in equation 3. What you will get? Substitute equation 2 in equation 3, you will get in place of dE you will get TdS minus PdV. TdS minus PdV comes here. What happens? This I am writing here. So this simply I am writing TdS minus PdV. TdS minus PdV is equal to what I have to write? This is as it is. What is that? Dou E by dou V at t into dV plus dou E by dou t at V into dt. This I should write here. After writing this, only we should focus on the entropy, right? This entropy. So PdV comes here this side. So dV is common. We need to take the dV common. So what you will get? TdS is equal dou E by dou V at t plus minus comes this side. What happens? Plus P complete into dV. I am taking common plus this is remaining as is dou E by dou t at V into dt. After writing this, t comes divides with each term. So now ds is equal to what should I write? 1 by t into dou E by dou V at t in plus P into dV, and also t comes here dou E by dou t at V into dt. Right? So this is equation number 4. Right? After writing this, compare both equation 1 and 4. Compare equation 1 and 4. ds common, dv common, dt common, right? I am comparing both equation 1 and 2. Here for my purpose, right, I am writing ds is equal to dou s by dou v at t into dv plus dou s by dou t at v into dt. Right. So simply now you should compare this term with this term dou s by dou dt common, right? This term with this. First I am taking these two terms are common, so I am comparing both the two terms. Dou s by dou t at v. I am comparing dou s by dou t at v. Right? I am comparing with what? 1 by t into dou E by dou t at v. Dou E by dou t 1 by t into dou E by dou t at v, right? So if t comes here, what happens? T into dou s by dou t at v is equal to dou E by dou t at v. So after writing this, you need to multiply both sides with dou by dou v. Here dou by dou v, here dou by dou v. What you will get? T into dou square s by dou v dou t. Dou square s by dou v dou t is equal to what? Dou square E by dou v dou t. Dou square E by dou v dou t you will get. This is equation number 5. So in this case you need to take here, we know the heat capacity means heat capacity at constant volume is defined as dou E by dou t at V. Simply I am written as dou S by dou t at V is equal to what? CV by T. So this value is replacing with CV, heat capacity at constant volume, right? So after writing this, I am comparing this term with this dou equation with 1, right? So dou E by, I am comparing those equations. You should see about that. You will get, so dou S by dou V at T is equal to what? Comparing with what? 1 by T into dou E by dou V at T plus P. I am comparing this with. So if T comes this side, what happens? If T comes this side, what happens? If T comes this side, what happens? T into dou S by dou V at T is equal to dou E by dou V at T plus P. So already I told you, if dou t is there, we are multiplying with dou v. Dou v is there, we need to multiply with dou t. So if it is u, if it is v, because two terms are there, two variables are there. If it is uv, so first term is as it is, already we discussed uv differentiation is V into V dash plus V into U dash, right? So that is T into what? Second differentiation, dou square S by dou T dou V is plus, next is what? Second term is common as it is, dou S by dou V at T. Dou by dou T of T is what? 1. Dou by dou T of T is what? 1. Already we discussed. So similarly we need to do the dou by dou T both sides for two terms. You will get dou square E by dou T dou V plus dou P by dou T at V. P T V. Remaining is V. So this is equation number 6. If you substitute this value, if you substitute this dou square E by dou T dou V value is what? This. You simply you should keep in place of this, you will with this, you will get what? You will get directly T into dou square S by dou T dou V plus dou S by dou V at T is equal to, this value is what? T into dou square S by dou V dou T plus remaining is as it is, dou P by dou T at V. So this both terms are gets cancelled. You will left with dou S by dou V at T is equal to dou P by dou T at V. This is equation. If it is equation A, if it is equation B, so now substitute equation A and B in equation 1. So already we know that dou S by dou T at V is what? CV by T. So next dou S by dou V at T. Dou S by dou V at T is what? Dou P by dou T at V. In place of this, you need to substitute with this. You will get final equation is simply you are writing. Final equation I am writing. ds is what? ds is equal to dou S by dou V at T is what? Dou S by dou V at T is dou P by dou T at V into dV plus, so dou S by dou T at V is what? CV by T into dt. This is the final equation for entropy is a function of V and T. This is the final equation for entropy is a function of V and T. In next class, we will discuss about the entropy is a function of P and T. Right? Entropy is a function of P and T. Next class we will see. Thank you.